guys! I have found myself in a little bit of a creative rut the past few days. And I've heard that what you need to do in a situation like that is to challenge yourself creatively. So Robert came up with the brilliant idea of actually challenging me to do my hair with something that he's found around the house. Something that I have no idea of what it is, so I'm gonna find out what it is in a few seconds, and then whatever it is, I have to style my hair using that thing in one way or another.
Yeah.
Am I allowed to use other tools and things as well?
Like hair accessories and stuff?
Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's do
Are you
this
ready?
then. Yeah, should I close my eyes? I don't know.
No, I've got the big magic hat. You can grab.
Oh, I
what's
have to
inside.
take it out. Oh my gosh, okay.
Da 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 da!
A mug!
A teacup!
Ooh, okay.
Good luck! You can do it. It's Loepsie style.
Wow, okay. That is challenging. Alright, I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna head into the other room, do my hair with a mug, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the results.
Okay.
First thing that popped to mind is you have this whole kind of curling your hair with a water bottle thing that's been viral. I believe it was a few years ago, where people would do the same thing, pretty much just kind of dunk their hair in a cup and then put a hairdryer on it. I thought I could try that, but then Robert said that he actually wanted to see the mug in my hair and the finished hairstyle, so I'm gonna have to attach it to my head some way. I think I'm just gonna go for a really extravagant kind of costumey tea look, because I do think it looks quite cute as a hat. You know what, I'm gonna try the whole hair curling hairdryer thing first anyway, just because I'm curious to see if that will work. Just gonna pop it in the mug, put my blow dryer on the high heat setting. Let's give this a try, see what happens. That doesn't work. Maybe if I hold it down with my hand or something. Because I've kind of rolled it up in there in a curl shape, so theoretically it could. Okay, wait, I'm gonna make a kind of like slot for the air to go in. Am I gonna burn my hand like this? I hope not. Maybe I am. I can see something happening here. Okay, I need something to cover this up with that isn't my... I have those heat gloves, wait. I have one of those heat resistant gloves that you use with curling wands, so I could use that. The glove doesn't work because the air blows straight through it. I'm gonna have to find another solution for that. But, will you look at that? Oh my gosh, that is a curl. That's not necessarily better. I don't think this is gonna work. I'm gonna have to take a different approach to this. Maybe if I make a bun, then the mug can rest on the bun and it won't slide off my head as easily. Definitely needs to go higher if I want to do this. And I don't think this is strong enough to support the mug on its own. And now I think I'm gonna try and get like a ribbon through here or something so that it doesn't slide off my head, because this is one of my favorite mugs and I don't want to lose it. A headband or something. Do I trust this is strong enough? Well, it's holding, I guess. Okay, I've changed my mind. I think a hairstyle with a teacup needs to be big, it needs to be super costumey, and it needs to be really out there in order to rock this. So I'm actually gonna take out my wig. This is a really beautiful full red wig. It's gonna match this just perfectly. This mug is my Efteling mug and it has a bunch of fairy tale figures on there. I think that's gonna work a lot better than using my own hair, just because I don't feel like I even have enough hair to support an item that's that heavy. That's much better already. I am into this. Okay, I'm gonna just pop a bobby pin in the sides here so that I don't have to glue it to my head, because I don't intend to actually wear this for prolonged periods of time, as you can imagine. Buns. I think I'm just gonna do buns, and I still think I need a bun right around here somewhere to actually support the teacup. So I think I'm just gonna start by doing that, by figuring out where I'm gonna place the teacup, and then I'm gonna work around that. I am starting to really like this, actually. Let me just put my glasses back on so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I feel like we're getting somewhere. So I want a nice big fluffy bun on the other side to balance that out. The curse of the synthetic wig. It's always tangled. Gonna stick this down with a few bobby pins. Oh yes. Oh yes. We need more around here. Maybe do a little braid around the teacup. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a braid here. Just gonna make this braid a little bit bigger here. I feel like that could work. Who would have thought I'd ever wear a teacup in my hair? I'm just gonna pin that as well. I think I'm gonna come in with the pearls because I think I want to just keep the mug in at this point. I'm gonna try and tie this behind my head if I can get there through this tangled synthetic wig. That's pretty cool. Just gonna wrap the braid around the bun. I still feel like it needs more volume on top. Maybe if I wear it like an updo, or like mostly as an updo. It actually doesn't look that bad from the back either. You can kind of see my own hair popping through in some bits, but as long as I make sure the hair is nice and spread out, I think this actually looks pretty cool. Let's see if I have any more sparkly bits that I could add in to go with the wonderfully tacky headband that I have going on. Perfect. Okay, now I feel like as a finishing touch, just to make it super out there, this just needs a really flashy lipstick. And I'm thinking, since there's a little bit of blue in there, I have some, oh, is it blue, is it green type of color going on? Can you see it even? Right here in that rhinestone? I think I'm gonna go with a blue lipstick. I doubt he even knows I have this. It's gonna be fun. It's a mix. Strictly vinyl. So this is a bit of a darker blue than I was expecting. I'm gonna try and make this a little bit brighter with some eyeshadow. That should do it. Alright, I think it's time for the reveal. Are you ready?
I hope so.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa. Nice.
This is my teacup hairstyle.
Very red. No, it's cool. I like it.
Is this what you were expecting? Were you expecting anything?
I didn't know what to expect, but I definitely did not expect this.
You know, I could actually see myself wearing this to some type of fantasy event or something. I actually really like it.
Did a good job.
Yay! So, a pass?
A pass.
Yay! So I guess that completes the teacup hair challenge. Thank you for challenging me today.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little different video on my channel. I really enjoyed doing it. So if you enjoyed it as well, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much. There will be another video here that you might enjoy as well. So you can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.